Let's go.
Once upon a time, we share the stories of old. Bring the book to life in a way never told. Let's go for a ride, never let go. Fresh fairy tales, the top of the show. Fresh fairy tales.
Let's go.
Man, I'm probably wondering who I am. My name is B-I-double-L-Y, Wolf the Man. Woof. Welcome to the area, Lunar Craze. I live my whole life here, everyone is my friend.
Hey friend,
Doing that,
fair.
it's why, see I told ya, everybody here's my friend.
Hey friend,
That's Ken,
not a 10.
not a Ken, but it wasn't always like this long ago. When I would walk through the hood, it was all a show. Most Ula Valley, sleeping in cabales, knocking over beans and running up in a hurry, tying a bandana, pretend to be a nana, till I met some friends that changed me for the better. And that's my friends, Red and Blue. But before you meet them, let me tell you a little bit more about me. That's right. Once upon a moon ago was a young lad by the name of Billy. Billy was the baddest lad of Lunar Craze. Everyone was straight scared of him because he was big and tough like a wolf. Billy the Wolf came from a strict Tongan family, and if they ever knew what Billy was getting up to on the streets,
Mom, Dad.
he would have got in big trouble from his mum.
Hey, hello? Anyone here?
Billy was the black sheep of his family. They often left him at home and forgot about him while they went to church 24 hours of the day. But Billy didn't care. Well, he did. But he figured maybe if he became famous on TikTok, his family might then love him. This is Red, Billy's annoying neighbor. Billy realized if he wanted to be the most famous TikToker on all of Lunar Craze, he'd better have the legendary wall on lock. Suddenly, Billy started to daydream that Red and her brother Blue were outside his window practicing their TikTok routine. And even though it was just his imagination playing tricks on him, when he saw them hit the legendary wall, Billy started to get nervous. All right, come on, Billy. You got this, dogs. Here we go. Ready, set, come on, man.
Manuelo Asofano, happy birthday to you. Manuelo Asofano, happy birthday to you.
What are you doing? Are you trying to do a TikTok?
Nah, I was trying to practice my kung fu moves, lad.
Lad, you were in Australia for 2 weeks. Why do you have an accent?
Actually, I was there for 2.5 weeks.
Well, my mum said you're an Ula Vale.
What does that mean?
It's Samoan for naughty or bad.
Well, guess what? I am naughty and I am bad, so you should watch out.
Well, I just scared you, so right now you're not bad. You're just beefing.
For all you Gen X kids and old people, beefing means big for nothing.
Anyway, it's my birthday today. You want some cake?
Hey, shh, Red, get down here now. How many times have I told you not to talk to the Ula Vale next door?
Mum, he can hear you.
I don't care. Kope sunga.
Billy was used to being the outcast, and he figured if everyone was gonna call him bad, then he was just gonna act bad.
Mom, stand up.
Oh, hi, Mom. I'm sending Blue over tonight with some cake for your ipuki, okay? Hi, Nana.
Hello? What you want for your birthday? Pray hard to God to give to you.
Anything?
Anything.
I want to come to your house to show you my TikTok.
Ah, ai. Little Samoan girls never leave the house until they are 40 years old. Okay?
But Mum, I'm going to Nana's house with Blue. Hey, Blue.
Is that right, Blue? Are you going to take your sister?
Yeah.
Are you going to listen to your brother?
Yes.
This is your first time, and you better prove to me that you can do this on your own with your brother, okay? Mm-hmm. Okay, let's get ready.
Yes!
Blue?
Red and Blue lived next door to Billy since they were all babies. Their mum was always home to look after them and cook for them. Billy wished he had that.
Yeah, whaalongo lele mai. No stopping anywhere, no talking to strangers, and especially, no talking to the ulavale next door. Oiloa. Tofa.
Hi, Mum.
Oloa fa.
Did you see my TikTok? It went viral. If you haven't, then I know what you're doing. Anyways, I did this one move, right? Excuse me. I was doing this move, right? I was like, that. But they couldn't do it. They like fell on the face. They said my wall was like the best thing ever. Hello? You listening? Hey, look. This is Billy's bike.
That's not Billy's bike. It looks like you won his bike. Billy probably stole it. Billy's a bad person and we don't hang out with bad people, duh.
Trying to steal my bike, dogs?
No. We were just checking out the wheels.
Cool, Kate. Where did you get them from, huh? The $2 shop?
No, we made it out of your mullet. Stop, that's not for you. That's not
Now Billy the Wolf was mad. And not just because they were better TikTokers than him. So Billy came up with this genius idea. He was gonna get his revenge.
Nana!
My beautiful grandchildren! Look, it's me! Your beautiful Samoan grandma!
Nana, why do you look like that?
Like what?
Like different.
Have you already forgotten me?
No. What she means is you look like you lost weight.
You know me, grandson. Always doing the Zumba every day, And every day I'm eating the cats. Sorry, I mean eating the salad.
Nana, what big feet you have? What long nose hairs you have?
And you got a monobrow. It looks like a Nike tick.
Just did it! Yeah, like a Nike tick.
No, it's because my pub is not open anymore because lockdown. You know, we locked down and I can't even go and thread it anymore, shave it or anything. There's enough talking, come on. Let's go. Come on.
Hey, you're not Nana.
Run! Damn it.
You guys thought that you could outrun me, eh? Thought that you guys could try to steal my bike? Even your mum thought that she could embarrass me? Well, come on then. How do you want to settle it? You want to fight?
What about a TikTok battle? Huh?
Billy had just lost a TikTok battle, and he realized he would never be the most famous TikToker of Lunacres, which meant no one would ever love him. Until something magical happened, something special, something called friendship.
I don't understand why are you being so nice to me. I don't deserve it. I don't deserve it. Yes, you do. Because everyone needs a friend. Because everyone needs an Eshe.
Docs, you wanna do a TikTok together? That's us. Us three. Let's go film it now. Let's go.
I thought you weren't allowed to talk to Ula Valles like me.
Well, we won't tell if you don't. Well, we won't tell if you don't.
No, we won't. You snitch.
I won't. I'm a changed man.
He's a changed man.
Yes, I'm a changed man.
He's a changed man.
I'm not a fiaca mama anymore.
He actually changed.
But first, you'll have to come with us to take this to our nana.
And that's how I went from being Billy the bad
BFN.
wolf
to Billy the friend.